Before I came from my MBA at the Tepper School, I was a management consultant. And I came into the Tepper School with a singular focus that I wanted to run a company. And the way I did that was taking advantage of the entrepreneurship track. The Tepper School was a fantastic choice to get the intersection of analytics, technology, and business, where you can really take your time, try new ideas, fail, move on, and learn and grow. The main pieces of advice I would give prospective students wanting to attend the Tepper School, one is to know your why you want to do an MBA. Really think about putting your head down and proving yourself at a global stage. And also really think about what impact you want to leave on the community, because it's not only about your personal development, it's also about what you give back. All these secret ingredients, I'd say, of that Tepper experience, which is freedom, humility, hard work, fail, learn, and move on, has really helped me start a company and successfully raise a round of funding and take our company to the next level.